In the last lesson, we drew shapes on the screen using Pygame. This time, we're going to bring one of those shapes to life by moving it. That's right, we're going to make a yellow square move when we press the arrow keys on our keyboard. Here's the basic setup. You've seen this before. Now let's go over the new stuff step by step. First, we add this line. This adds a small delay between each frame, around 30 milliseconds. Why? So our game doesn't run too fast. It gives us smooth, more controlled movement. Next, we set up our character's position and movement speed. This means our square will start near the center of the screen, and each time we move, it'll shift by 5 pixels. Now here's where the real action happens. This checks which keys are being pressed. Then we check for arrow keys like this. Depending on which arrow key is pressed, we update the X or Y position of the square. After that, we draw everything. We clear the screen with black, draw a yellow square at the current position, and then update the screen to show the changes. All right, let's run the code and see it in action. You should see a yellow square, and when you press the arrow keys, it moves around the screen. How cool is that? Now we've added character movement to our game. In the next video, we'll keep leveling up your Pygame skills. So stick around and I'll see you in the next one.